Well guys, here we go. This is going to be, hopefully it works, my first attempt with a bit of carving. There's the console. Still don't really know all the ins and outs, but let's give it a go, see what happens, see if I can set this up. I've got a bit of a dodgy stand, but I'll do my best. See how this works. Right, fingers crossed. Right, that didn't work so well. Let me set it up again and I will try again. Right, here we go again. I think I've got to redesign these clamps. I 3D printed these. These ones are alright. They're not so bad. These I've got issues. I've got nothing actually clamping it down this time, so hopefully it's not going to pop up or do anything silly. So let's try this again. As you can see, I've got to home it to the corner first. That's your work position home. Over the other corner is the machine position home. The internet's just gone out again, so here we go. I really must run a lead into it. It's a pain in the arse. I do have a probe for doing the corners. I've got a probe for it, but the trouble is, because that's a V-bit, when it goes to do the corners, it's actually just hitting down here rather than the actual diameter. So I'm going to manually get it in the corner. No, connection's gone again. Alright, let's try that again. Height wise, I think that's pretty good. That's not bad to the front. Nudge it over to the end. That don't look too bad. Right, set the set the work 0, which is that. That's the work 0. Right, here we go again, guys. Let's see if it bloody works this time. I've 3D printed all of this. I don't know if I'm happy with it yet or not. It does the job, but I don't know. There you go, guys. You can see that all right. That's my granddaughter. You see the tiger there. I think I'm going to put a bit of black paint on it. See if it highlights it a bit better.